Welcome to this week's Asset Management Quick Tip. My name is Gabby, and in today's Quick Tip, I'm going to review the newly introduced User Profile module. To access the user profile, simply click on your username and select Profile. As you can see, every user will now have a user profile where you can view and edit user and employee details, enter unavailable time off, as well as select specific notification. Let's review each section. The User's Details section allows you to view your username, employee name, user group, and allow you to edit the email address as well as the contact phone number. The Employee section allows you to view specific information as well as edit first name, last name, your entire address, your phone numbers, your fax numbers, and your email address. To edit, you would simply enter your information and click Save. The Unavailable Time Off section allows you to indicate specific days or times where you can take a portion of the day or an entire day off so that nothing is scheduled for you during those said times. In this example, you'll see that I have an extended meeting scheduled for today, as well as some vacation time off for 3 days starting July 22nd. To enter additional time off, simply click Add, enter a start date and an end date. You can also indicate a start time and an end time, or simply click All Day, select a category, I'll select On-Site Training, enter a reason and click Save. The little buttons to the right allow you to edit, delete, or view additional information for this specific category. In the Notifications section, you will now be able to select specific notifications by module by expanding or decreasing a specific section, as well as allow you to select the mode of notification such as an alert, an email, or a text. All you would do is scroll down to the notification that you want to activate, select the mode, and click Save. Very simple. I hope that helps. That's going to conclude this week's Asset Management Quick Tip. Thank you for your time.